had to restart this whole video. Hey guys, it's Nene and I'm back with another YouTube video. Don't mind my hair, okay? Because I'm going to give y'all a hair tutorial. Basically, I'm going to give y'all a hair tutorial on how to do a top knot bun. Don't mind my hair. I know it looks crazy. Alright? But, yeah. Okay, don't mind my hair. I don't know why I didn't say this in, like, the beginning. But, like, basically, if your hair is, like, almost the same length as mine, or if it's, like, shorter, or if it's longer, it don't matter. What I did was I parted, like, my hair, like, in two parts. So I have, like, one part at the top and one part at the bottom. I mean, at the back, because, so I can get the ponytail more slicker. It'll be easier for me to put it in a ponytail. So, basically, you just do that, and then you just slip it up. So I'm about to just show y'all how to do this little bun thing, and I'm about to show y'all these products real quick. So you're going to need some water if you want to use it. I'm going to use this, an edge brush, and a brush. Okay. I was trying to play a story time in the background, but it was not like, it wasn't working out. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna like speed up the parts and then call it a day. Play some trash music in the background and call it a day, cause I can't do it. Ooh! Basically, you just let me stop. Y'all can comb out your hair if y'all want to. I'm not going to. I'm just going to put this right back in the same hairstyle, and I'm not going to use as much product because I'm about to wash my hair, and my hair has been like this for like 3 days. So, yeah. I want to play something in the background, but I'm going to play this video. I will drop the link down below if y'all want to watch this story time, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to finish the whole story time in this whole video, so let's just turn down the volume a little bit, and let's see.
If I was gonna go to college, I was originally gonna do a break year before going, because I was so drained from school, like high school, just being in school for fucking 12 years.
And my freaking
that was it for me. I was like,
ring light keep doing crazy stuff. This is what happens when you have a broken ring light.
A whole big college experience, but when it comes to me being in psychology or majoring in psychology, it's because I have a family member who suffers from mental illness, and I do struggle with mental illness as well, like I told you guys about anxiety and stuff like that, but nothing close to or as severe as my family prioritized, and that just made me want to work in that type of, in that industry, because I want to be that person. On top of, like, there's not a lot of, therapists that are people of color. Like, every therapist I've ever been to in my area, even though my area is majority black, most of the therapists even in this area are all white, which there's nothing wrong with, that, but, we just want the representation.
I hate when I look to the side and I look like I'm cross-eyed.
I decided to go to a community college, and that school was in the city that my mother lived in. So I went to high school in, this city, and then I went to community college about 45
tripping. I'm gonna use some of this. I only got a little bit because it will hold your hair. So if you use a lot,
before I had decided that I wasn't gonna go to a big university, even when I did think I was going to, I was like,
the hair might be stuck for like
we're gonna have a dorm together, like it's gonna be me and you, like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, bitch. That was my bitch, and she's still my bitch.
I'm tripping, like I'm not even showing the products. And I'm about to use some of this too.
If it wasn't with her, type shit, like y'all know those type of friends. That was that type of friend. Me and her became like this in 10th grade, and so 10th, 11th, 12th, we're talking about plans. We're talking plans. We're talking what we're gonna do.
That's all you just do.
We're gonna be, and that's what it is.
Basically.
So, yeah. So me and Ellen decided that we both wanted to do psychology together at that community college. It was in budget. It was close to my mom, and she's pretty close to my mom. So yeah, once we decided what community college we were going to, we had ended up
hate brushing
on
with
our
my
spam,
right hand.
like saying like, on your spam you post your business, you post what your plans are and shit like that. And I learned, don't do that. Don't nobody need to know your every fucking plan. And bitch, if you believe in evil eye, like that's that shit that'll get you fucked up. Like talking about your plans just to people that I'm already protected.
Why do y'all use like?
So we posted what school we were going
why
to,
do y'all?
and there was this girl, and I don't know if I'm gonna name her. I never know. When I keep swiping, and you some little sneaky ass nigga. So
yeah, it's not looking as good right now.
Swiper decided to message me on my spam
just
post.
back. So
Usually
spread that water.
Like, I've never seen a college that has dorms for their students. Like, it usually just be school. I mean, that was close to this school. So I told her, I was like, nah, like, they don't got housing, so we get an apartment. We're gonna get an apartment together and stuff like that. And she's like, oh my goodness, like, is there any way that we can split it 3 ways and I can move in with you guys just for the first semester, because I'm really going through a lot at home and my mom is not, you know, in the means to help me get a place and stuff like that, and I can't afford it, and I don't see how I'm gonna go to this school because I have a really shitty, like, she had a really run down car, and so did I at the time, but the only way I was gonna be able to go to that school with that car today. So she had a really broke down car as well, but her mom didn't live in that city. Like, she lived back where we went to high school.
It's about to tie this down, so
type shit. And the apartment complex, it was more expensive than this apartment with 3 people, plus with 3 bedrooms, it's more space. Like, which, yeah.
And then this is what a fake hair comes in. I tied the hair to the thing on purpose, because I don't want the hair to be flying on the face. Basically, you just rough up the hair.
And lunch and stuff like that. Like, she was a cool girl. We didn't have no beef with her. We knew her enough to, like, be comfortable if, like, with her being a roommate. Like, some people roommate with strangers, like, but she wasn't no complete stranger. So it was like, I talked to Ella about it, and she went to the apartment because, like, y'all know college semesters start in, like, the spring or the fall semester.
It's not really looking right now. I guess because I'm rushing, but
like a month or 2 prior to starting school.
I'm gonna put this.
One of the bedrooms had a bathroom connected to that room, and there was
so
a
don't
bathroom
go
next
nowhere.
to 2 rooms that, you know, they would share and shit like that. So
this is what it looks like.
We all had a group chat together, and me and Ella already previously. Ella did not want the biggest room. She did not want the biggest. Like, she's the.
So now we're about to do the edges.
I'm the extra friend. Like,
I did not mean to pull out that many edges. I mean that much edges, but
she know that I got more clothes.
I understand, but at the same time.
Like, size rooms. Like, they were like this size room. And,
so I'm gonna just use this.
The other bedroom, the one that I got, was just
use this, but I'm only gonna use a little bit because, like I said,
like,
if you use a lot, your edges will be there for like.
She just wanted like a nice little room.
Who knows?
As long as it had Gucci and they all had Timberland bands. The room next to her, of course,
just
was
swoop
Swiper,
it.
and they had to share a bathroom together, and I had my own bathroom. So we stayed in this apartment, like I said. We had it for a month before starting school, but this girl didn't end up.
It's not looking right now because I'm rushing.
So we just wanted to get a feel. Now, you never know a person until you live with them. So we just wanted to, like, you know, get a feel of that before having to deal with that and the balance of starting school, like all of that. We didn't want to be stressed out and overwhelmed with that shit. So we decided it would be best.
Damn, like that's the hair. So obviously, if I would have took my time, it probably would have came out way better. But this is what it looks like. You know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of like short, but it's a hair tutorial. What do you expect? Like, the video just cut off out of nowhere, and I don't know why. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.